Welcome to the Hard Rock Cafe Hotel walkthrough. It was so fun. We went around New Year time. They had special celebration for the kids. It was an amazing experience. Come, walk with us. Everything we did there. We first checked in. The hotel room was so beautiful, new and chic, and the bathroom was like, oh my gosh, impressive beyond. Oh my god. From the hotel is internally connected tunnel towards this amazing arcade place. This is where we are going. It's called the Factory, and they had a huge Grinch balloon there. The kids loved it. And then we head into the amazing arcade, which is also like the Factory. They had games. The hotel had the package with the arcade, and kids thoroughly enjoyed it. It was unlimited run, so the credit will go out. So make sure you book it accordingly. And then of course for the tired parents, they go to the bar. They also have a food court kind of place. Very subsidized drinks for the kids as well. And after the break, back to the games. Then the most amazing trampoline park, like it was huge and beyond. The kids loved it, and it gave us a break. We were sitting and watching them. Of course, if you want to be part of it, you can get a ticket as well. There was rope climbing, there was rock climbing, but then again, my kids were too young for it. It was, I think, 12 and above. But overall, they had fun within the trampoline park itself. This was a nice laser game where you had to get over those lines, and that's how you score. And we could see outside in the TV what my son was doing, what you see on the screen. It was so fun. Then some fun ice cream options. They had good ice cream options, and kids loved it, of course. The 12 grapes for each of us before the dinner slice. And then we went back again to the party. This is the walkway from the hotel, internally connected. You don't have to leave, and it's very convenient. And then of course I had to go to the gym in the morning, and they have a great gym, like all the equipment's very clean. And of course at 6 in the morning nobody was there, so it was like a private gym for me, and I had a good workout on the first day of the year. And then a hearty breakfast. It was so amazing and yum. Everybody got their options that they loved. And right after the breakfast, we headed for the pool. It was a heated pool, so it was super fun and a great time. They had a great, beautiful decorations. Everybody was having super fun. And as you can see, we're heading towards the New Year party.